It's actually been a while since I've appeared on camera. Yeah, I'm fine. Everything's good. How are you? I'm just gonna cut a few things with this. I have a cold steel folder. This is the knife. Now check it out. Oh, I mean, it went through very quickly. And that is very fibrous, tough rope. And it goes right through. All right, we got the bike tire tubing. Oh, nice. Let's do it. Oh, it's just going through very easily. Yeah, you see that. So if you have to break down some boxes for the recycling, real reviews, cutting stuff. So there you go. This is not exactly what this knife is for, but hey. I should have chose like a thinner piece of wood. So it's doing pretty good for something that was probably made to shank a fool or slash you up, but yeah, I'm excited to get this because, I mean, look at it. It's just a very attractive knife, and if you like cold steel, which I do, I mean, I usually like the larger cold steel folders, right? I have a big collection of those, but the steel caught my attention on this. All right, let's just make this pointed. Whatever, so that's pointy enough if you had to, you know, pound this into the ground. You've got a 2-position pocket clip. You have the triad lock, and you have that spacer there. That's what it looks like in here. This thing is a talon of steel. It's got a fuller. We've got dual thumb studs. They are terraced. The blade length is 3.5 inches. The overall length 8 inches. 2.6 ounces in weight. The steel is CPM 3V. We've got G10 handle scales, a triad lock, and the price I paid was $136. I definitely like that red and black color pattern on the G10 handle on this. It just adds a nice kind of collectible touch. I like the blade shape on this. The triad lock is a superior type of lock, just a lot of strength and safety with that type of lock. Now this is made in Taiwan for cold steel, and that crucible steel, as far as I know, all crucible steels are made in the US, so they shipped some good US steel over to Taiwan. Here is a comparison with the other new cold steel knife that I picked up recently, the Cold Steel Mayhem. Pretty awesome. So by the way, if you're into cold steel, you might want to subscribe to my channel, because I gotta say, that's been, as far as the brand that gets the most views for me over 15-16 years, it has been Cold Steel. Yeah, so Cold Steel is one of those classic kind of big brands that I actually still buy. I do not really buy Benchmades anymore, and very rarely buy Spyderco's anymore. They've just, those brands have just lost touch. They're trying to sell less and less knives for higher and higher prices to older and older diehards. Now, I'm old, but I mean, no, dude, I'm not going to do that. And K-Bar, I mean, the K-Bar Slabby, it's $175. It just doesn't make any sense. These companies have lost their damn minds. Leatherman, too, is another one. They're completely out of touch. Right? These $200 multi-tools. But Cold Steel, I still do buy Cold Steels because the prices are reasonable for most of their stuff. They have a few boutique stuff, but the prices are very reasonable. Their machetes and tomahawks, they are very affordable. Now, items like this, I wouldn't say things more than $100 are budget, but at least you're getting that 3V steel And at least the Mayhem is a hell of a knife. I mean, other companies are afraid, other brands are just afraid to make a folder that big. Oh, it might scare someone. So that's why I still buy Cold Steels when I'm not buying a lot of these other brands that are just played out and out of touch. They're just price gouging at this point and cruising and complacent. They're just cruising on their reputations from frickin' 20 years ago. My final conclusions. Is it worth the price? It was worth it to me based on the CPM 3V steel, the attractiveness of the design, the usefulness of the blade shape for different types of cutting, piercing, slashing, draw cutting, push cuts, and the strength of that triad lock. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to me if you like seeing a lot of cutlery in your subscription feed. I hope you're all doing well. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.